life is hard, physically demanding, till you can barely stand and it feels surreal. How reality peels skin from a broken body, but that's not what gets you. Life sets you up for a fall when nothing matters at all, cause we're all too busy surviving. But when truth's a shard of glass penetrating your heart, debilitating your ability to perform, forcing you to conform, accept the norm, killing your spirit, trying to limit your sense of self. It stops you trying, stops you striving. Listen up, these are the top 5 loudest sounds in the whole world. Just pause and think about it. Number 5, a phone that sits in silence, denying awaited news. Number 4, laughter ringing joyously from another room. Number 3, the footfall of someone leaving and not looking back. Number 2, teardrops splashing on a pillow in the dead of night. And number 1, memories echoing futilely across a hollowed heart. We go through the motions, but neglect our emotions. We've been conditioned, diverted from our mission. An incision that bleeds dry our goals and dreams, vanishing like steam, all smoke and mirrors to crush our hope. Then they hand us our rope,